How to earn money online for students. There are several ways for students to earn money online. Here are some options to consider. 1. Freelancing. If you have a particular skill or talent, such as writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, you can offer your services as a freelancer. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to create a profile and find clients who are willing to pay for your skills. 2. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students who need help. Platforms like Tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and Wizen provide opportunities to connect with students and offer your expertise. 3. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content, you can start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. By consistently producing valuable and engaging content, you can attract an audience. Once you have a following, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or donations. 4. Online surveys and microtasks. Some websites, such as Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk, offer paid online surveys and microtasks. While the income may not be substantial, it can be a way to earn some extra money in your free time. 5. Online marketplaces. If you have items to sell, you can utilize online marketplaces like eBay, Etsy, or Amazon to set up your own online store. You can sell handmade crafts, vintage items, textbooks, or any other products you have. 6. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can earn a commission by promoting products or services and driving sales through your unique affiliate links. Many companies offer affiliate programs, and you can sign up to become an affiliate marketer through platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or Commission Junction. 7. Online freelancing platforms. Platforms like TaskRabbit, GigBucks, and People Per Hour offer various tasks and gigs that you can complete remotely for payment. These tasks can range from data entry and virtual assistants to graphic design and web development. Remember to be cautious and do thorough research before engaging in any online money-making opportunity. Watch out for potential scams and only work with reputable platforms. Additionally, it's important to manage your time effectively, balance your online work with your studies, and ensure that your online activities do not interfere with your education.